Hey guys, in this part we talk about JSON in Python. JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. JSON is text written with JavaScript object notation. So JSON in Python. Python has a built-in package called Json, which can be used to work with JSON data. So import JSON and parse JSON or convert from JSON to Python. If you have a JSON string, you can parse it by using the JSON.loads method, and the result will be a Python dictionary. So we have a JSON in here. X is a JSON, and name in JSON is John. Age is 20 and city is New York. And parse JSON. Y is JSON.loads X, and the result is a Python dictionary. And print the X, print the Y, and age, and we have 20. Or print the Y, save and run, and we have a dictionary in here. And convert from Python to JSON. If you have a Python object, you can convert it into a JSON string by using the JSON.dumps method. So I comment the X and create another X is a dictionary and name is, so copy this and paste and put spaces and convert into JSON by JSON.dumps and print the Y, and the result is a JSON string. Save and run, and we have a JSON string. And you can convert Python objects of the following types into JSON string: dictionary, list, tuple, string, int, float, true, false, and none, and set. Yes. So comment anything, and in here write, so remove the comment in here and write print JSON.dumps a dictionary. Name is, so copy name and age, paste, and so put a quotation and yeah, and yes, and print, so copy and paste, print JSON.dumps a list in Python and a set. So what is the error? Yes. Remove this, and we have banana and apple. Apple. And in here we have banana and apple, and json.doms a string, for example hello, and a number, for example 4, and a floating point number 4.5, and true and false, and the last is none. Save and run. And the dictionary, this is an object in JSON, and set and list will be a array in JSON, and a string is a string, numbers are numbers, true and false are true and false, and none is null in JSON. And convert a Python object containing all the legal data types. So I remove these prints, and X is an dictionary, and name is John, age is 20, we have a string, number, and married is true, we have boolean true, and children is a set and boolean, and we have, for example, pets, and we have none, and we have cars is a list, and in list we have two dictionary. Model is BMW, and MPG is 27.5, and we have another dictionary, and change the values 24.1, and model is Ford Edge, and print json.dumps x, save and run. And we have the JSON, we have John 20 true, and children is a list, and pets is null, cars is a list, and in list we have two objects. And format the result. This example prints a JSON string, but it is not very easy to read, with no indentation and line breaks. The json.dumps method has a parameter to make it easier to read the result. So use the indent parameter to define the numbers of indents. So we can set the indent, and indent is 4. Save and run, and we have indentation in the result. And you can also define the separators. Default value is this and this, which means using a command, a space, to separate each object, and a colon and a space to separate keys from values. So we have this sign and this sign, comma and this. So you can set the separators. Separators is we have this, and we have this. Save and run again, and we have equal sign and dot, and order the result. The json.dumps method has a parameter to order the keys in the result. So set the sort keys is true. Save and run. And we have age, cars, and name and pets in the last.